Make a quick announcement to let you guys know that this week only I'm going to keep the Discord server open to everyone, so you can join in and see my lectures live whenever you feel like it. In the description below I should have all the scheduling there. We're going to start this Saturday the 18th, which is tomorrow. Step 1 is going to be 10 a.m. in the morning on Saturday and Sundays, and then also on Wednesday 5 p.m. These are all Eastern time. And then the step 2 lectures are going to be on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, 5 p.m. Eastern time. Basically now I've got a new course that I've developed through feedback from everyone that signed up. We're now at one simple monthly fee. You get access to everything. You're going to be part of the step 1 lectures. You're going to be part of the step 2 lectures. The recordings of these lectures are then posted online and you get added to them. And you get access to all my notes as things go on. So it's like a wonderful package for your entire USMLE pathway, no matter where in USMLE you are. It doesn't matter if you're done with step 1, done with step 2, whatever it is you're up to now, whether it's just OET information you need or you just want to be part of my conversations about residency applications and networking and who to network with, where to find people, how to join conferences so you can network, stuff like that. Everything is going to be discussed as time goes on. So once you get in here, once you get into the Discord server, which is also linked below, you basically get to see the different rooms that are on here, right? And everything's going to be visible to everyone this first week. And then after that, I'm going to be making it back to being private again. So only people that are enrolled can see. In this first tab under the welcome, there's the enroll here thing where you can see the information on how the course outline is going to look like. And then a link to enroll as well, this link right here. When you go to the introductions page, that's kind of where you see everyone that's joining in as people are coming into the course. People with the red names are the ones that are part of the course already. So that's kind of something else you'll be able to see. A lot of new people are joining in, a lot of people are coming in, and we talk about things over here. When you join the course and you're actually in the live sessions that we do, that's going to be in here. So the audio rooms that you're seeing on the left. When you go into the audio room, it will just be me, my screen being shared, and my camera on, mic on, and me talking to you guys, discussing whatever it is we're doing. Saturday for step 1, we're going to start with biochemistry right in the beginning. And Monday for step 2 CK, we're going to start right from cardiology at the beginning. And as I'm talking, you guys can also be in the live chat room where you can type things about whatever it is you want to say regarding what I might be saying, right? So if you have a question or if you have a comment about something, or if you want to add something to what I said, you guys can all discuss with each other in there while I'm talking. And I'll also be paying attention to that, so I can also reference to anything you guys might be asking or saying and add on to that. So it's going to be a wonderful experience. It's going to be basically recreating that YouTube experience we had, but in a better, more high material kind of manner. And you get access to everything on your entire journey. So there's never confusion, whether it's difficulty understanding what you're supposed to do to apply for ECFMB certification, or just understanding what the different kinds of programs are and what you should be ready with, or if you're having trouble understanding how to prepare for UWorld questions or STEP questions, etc., whatever the conversation might be. Once you're part of the team, you're going to be surrounded by everyone as well as myself, helping you figure out what to do to succeed. So I look forward to seeing a lot of you guys there this first week while all the channels are open to everyone publicly. And then if you're interested in signing up, always feel free to email me. All the information should be in the description below. So thanks a lot for checking this video out, and I hope that you guys are doing your best, and good luck with your studies.